The world is facing major environmental problems which gradually affect economic, social, cultural, and business environments as well as our world. Each year, 400 million tons of plastic is produced, and 40% of that is single-use plastic. We will only use once before it's binned. To be aware of pressing issues and contribute to making the world a better place, Bridgestone commit to providing social and customer value as a sustainable society through all aspects of our corporate activities.
ไทยบริดสโตนได้ริเริ่มโครงการสร้างสรรค์นวัตกรรมเพื่อสร้างแรงจูงใจและการมีส่วนร่วมของพนักงานในการคัดแยกขยะขวดน้ำพลาสติกและลดจำนวนขยะที่จะทิ้งออกสู่สังคมโดยความร่วมมือกับคณะวิศวกรรมศาสตร์มหาวิทยาลัยมหิดลดำเนินการเก็บรวบรวมข้อมูลศึกษาวิจัยและออกแบบนวัตกรรมเพื่อให้สามารถนำมาใช้ได้อย่างแท้จริง
We did 3 workshops with the Bridgestone employees, and the first workshop introduced design thinking as a framework. So we talked about how to understand and empathize, how to synthesize and define what is the problem definition, and then we create and then we turn these creations into prototypes, and then we test these prototypes with the users inside Bridgestone. And the second workshop was based on research. So we compiled landscape research. Then in the second half of that workshop, we trained the staff how to do these qualitative in-depth interviews where they have this conversation and it's guided by people who are trained in design thinking from the workshop. And they interview and have discussions with other employees inside Bridgestone to try to understand their feelings, their perceptions, their attitudes towards this problem. After that, we did another design thinking creativity workshop where we used Legos. And what the students and the professionals in Bridgestone do together is they take these ideas and they turn it into a miniature reality. Little prototypes of how this would work, how this would fit and live inside the Bridgestone factory environment, how people would engage with it, what would be the draw, what would be the attraction, and most of all, and most importantly, how do we help people change their behavior?
จากการศึกษาวิจัยและออกแบบนวัตกรรมเครื่องคัดแยกขยะขวดน้ำพลาสติกทำให้สามารถรวบรวมขวดพลาสติกเพื่อเข้าสู่กระบวนการรีไซเคิลและนำกลับมาผลิตวัสดุที่สามารถนำมาใช้ประโยชน์ได้ใหม่โดยเครื่องคัดแยกขวดน้ำพลาสติกจะถูกนำไปทดลองใช้ที่โรงงานบริดสโตนรังสิตและหนองแคต่อไป
Therefore, the company established the directions of no single-use plastic as one of our sustainable initiatives that aim to reduce the amount of single-use plastic or waste and help turn them into values, which requires the mindset and the behavioral change of Bridgestone teammates from inside out to ensure the healthy environment for current and future generations. Let's together make it right.